nerve supply to the muscle. Here we need to know some terms. They are motor point and motor unit and hybrid or composite muscle motor unit. Motor point means this is the muscle and this is the connection with neuron. This is called motor point. Motor unit means the muscle and its entire nerve supplied by the neurons. This is called motor unit. And hybrid muscle means more than one neuron will supply. Okay. Next, based on the nerve supply to the muscle, the smooth muscles are classified into two types: single unit and multi-unit type. Multi-unit type. Multi-unit type means many nerves will supply the impulses to this muscle. Here, nerve supply is rich nerve supply. Each myocyte receive impulses from separate neurons. Single unit means here only one myocyte receive impulse from neuron and then it spreads to entire muscle via plasma membrane. Okay. Now nerve supply to cardiac muscle. Sympathetic nerves increase BP and heart rate, thereby dilating the blood vessels. Similarly, parasympathetic nerves will decrease BP and heart rate, thereby convey pain impulses from heart. Okay. Range of movement is directly proportional to length of muscle fiber, and similarly power of muscle is directly proportional to number of muscle fibers. Okay. Muscle groups means there are three groups. One is prime movers, రెండోది వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత మనకి యాంటగోనిస్టిక్స్, మూడోది వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫిక్సేటర్స్, నాలుగోది వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత మనకి సినర్జిస్టిక్స్. ఓకే. Prime movers means these cause the desired movement. Antagonistics means rather than opposing, they cooperate the desired movement. Fixator means this will stabilize the proximal joint, thereby moving the distal part on a fixed base. Fixed base is the important term here. And synergistic means these are the muscle groups that prevent the undesired movements. Okay. Now some basic terms related to the origin and insertion. Origin means attachment of a muscle to the immovable bone, and insertion means attachment of the muscle to the movable bone. Now these prime movers and antagonistics may become reverse if the case is changed. It means in extension the antagonistic become prime mover and prime mover become antagonistics, but in flexion prime mover will be this and antagonistic will be this, like that. This is called reversal of the muscle action. This will change with respect to the condition, extension or flexion. That's it. Tendon what is the use of tendon? It will transfer the force generated in the muscle to bone via joint. Cord like between the muscle and the bone means muscle to the bone, force generated in the muscle to the bone via joint. Tendon may be flattened sheath-like structure called aponeurosis, and for this the blood supply is from the muscle as well as from the periosteal vessels. Rupture of a tendon mainly occurs in the Achilles tendon, which is the tendon of the biceps, and the rupture of a tendon, after rupturing, its recovery rate is very slow or can't recover because of low blood supply and poor vasculature. Surgical reconstruction is required because of this reason. And muscle fibers are contiguous with the tendon fibers but not continuous, because contiguous means there is some space, continuous means without space. As between the muscle and the tendon there will be some space, therefore these are contiguous but not continuous. not continuous. That's it. Okay, now we are going to discuss about muscular system. First of all, muscle spindle. Muscle spindle means it is like in this spindle shape. It have two types of muscle fibers, extrafusal muscle fibers and intrafusal muscle fibers. Extrafusal muscle fibers form the bulk of the muscle, and these are the major force generating fibers. And these are present in little part, and these are of two types. One is the nuclear bag, and another one is the nuclear chain fibers. Okay, nuclear chain fibers are like this, and nuclear bag fibers are like this. And muscle spindle have two types of nerve endings. They are musculospiral endings and flower spray endings. Musculospiral endings are present in the middle part, and musculospiral endings are present in the here. So musculospiral endings, flower spray endings means they will be present in this way, flower spray endings. Okay, and here musculospiral ending means in this way spirals they will form. Okay, here also flower spray endings. That's it.